everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there for taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. You guys rock. It's been a while. Smurf's been crazy busy, but I did start detailing again, and I ran into an issue. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Karcher K1700 I have and the issue I ran into with this thing. I fired it up the other day and I turned around and looked, and there was water all inside my garage coming from the pressure washer. So I looked in there with the covers on and I could see it dripping from this portion here. I thought it was just, at first, like, I noticed a little bit of water, just very small amount, the last few times I've used it, and I thought it was from the fitting that you screw on, the quick connect. So I re-taped it with some tape, put it back on, some thread locking tape, thread sealing tape, put it back on, thought that was it. And then, like I said, it's been a while since I detailed, but I turned the water on and I set my bucket up and I turned around, there was a big old river of water running out of my garage into my driveway. So I looked at it, I said, okay, it's leaking from here. I went on, first thing I did was go on YouTube, see if anybody had the same issue. I couldn't find anything on the Karcher K1700 and had to pretty much take it apart and whatnot and find the problem. So I haven't fixed it yet. I took it apart and I pulled this piece out of the front. Now this is the piece that goes into the front of the pressure washer, and then you screw your quick connect fitting onto the front of that, and this goes into the pressure washer. And now when I saw it, it was leaking right out of here. And I noticed that it was held in by a little clip, which I will show you guys. I said there's got to be an O-ring on there, so I popped it out. Sure enough, there's an O-ring on the end. It is hard and most likely the cause of my leak. So I wanted to make this video to show you guys out there that may have this Karcher K1700 and may have this issue. It's very, very, very simple. I will walk you through it, and then we'll put a new O-ring on it, put it back, put it back in, and we'll see if that fixes it. So I'm gonna get you guys off the camera. I'm gonna walk you through where the screws are to take the front cover off and how to pull this out and fix it yourself if you run into this issue. So let's get you off the tripod and walk you through this very simple repair and I hope it works. So get you off the tripod and show you how I did it. All right, everybody, so here is my Karcher K1700. Here is the front cover that I had to take off. This is what goes right here. That basically the fitting sticks out through that hole right here. I did remove the soap reservoir. It's just got this little hose here with this little clamp. I just pulled it off, pulled the hose off. I don't use the soap reservoir anyways, but really quick, simple. It's a total of just a couple screws. Now this piece here goes right into here like so, just like that. Now where I saw the water dripping was coming from right here, just coming from right there, and all that is holding that in is this little clip here that goes in the side just like so, and that pretty much holds this piece in. So basically I took the screws out. You're getting a sneak peek of the Lamborghini in the back. There's a screw here, there's a screw under here on both sides. So there's one here, one here, one here, and one here. Take those screws out, and then there is two screws. Let me lay this over. Two screws on the bottom here, 1 and 2. And you take those out, and then the cover pops off. You pop this out of the top right here with the flat head. It should just pop right out. And then you wiggle this and it comes out, and there is an O-ring here. Also, I recommend cleaning the surface on the inside as well. In here where the new O-ring is going to seal. Just wiping that out, make sure the surface is good. Now what I'm gonna do is basically, I've got this O-ring assortment. I'm gonna match up the O-ring real quick. Let's see if we can find the O-ring. Got this one here. All right, let's go ahead and something like so. Yeah, that looks about right. So what I'm gonna do is pop this baby on, like so. Sorry guys, terrible camera work. Come on, Smurf. Now also what I got is a little bit of silicone paste here. See if I can do this with my hand. All right, a strong hand. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on my finger, like so. Rub it on the seal. All right. Now we're gonna pop this right back in there. Alrighty. Got that in there. Pop the... Alright, let's not break it, Smurf. Pop this back in. Boom, just like that. Now, I'm gonna get it down here. I'm gonna hook it up and we're gonna see if it leaks. All right, everybody. So, I went ahead, I took some tape. Now I decided I wanted to hook it up, but I had to screw this on to hook my hose up. And I can't get the cover on when I screw that on. So I didn't want to do it twice. So I went ahead and just put this all back together. I put a little bit of my thread tape on the threads right here. Went ahead and on the inside of this fitting here, there's also another O-ring. Forgot to mention that. So there's two O-rings. I went ahead and changed the one on the quick connector as well, on this piece here that screws in. So yeah, we're ready to fire this thing up and let's see if she leaks. I got my hose hooked up here. I had to put my gun on it, you know, that way if it, so it doesn't shoot water out everywhere. So we'll hope for the best. Water's on. And I think we're golden. That is awesome. I'm happy. Extremely happy. So before, it was just puddling up and just leaking out of here pretty good. You can kind of see it right back in here. It was just puddling down, and I've got my pressure washer here. There was a big old just river of water blowing out. So water's on and we're good. So simple fix. Also, I forgot, I told you all the screws, but there is one more screw right here that you have to take out. Little Phillips screw. Make sure you have one that's kind of skinny and narrow to get into these little holes right here. But that is the Karcher K1700 water leak fixed for the price of $6. Well, I paid $6 for this assortment of O-rings. I use this at my shop. Pretty much use all this stuff at my shop. A little bit of silicone paste and some thread locking tape. That took care of it. So yeah, if any of you guys are having a water leak issue and it seems like it's coming from behind here, not here, that is the quick fix. Pop this cover off, pop that clip out the top, pull that little fitting out, replace the O-ring, new O-ring in the fitting as well, a little bit of tape, put it back on, and you're good to go. All right, everybody. Well, just a quick video today, but I really hope that somebody out there can benefit from this. Like I said, I looked it up and I didn't find anything on the K1700, even how to take that front cover off. So figure this, it's a 2-in-1. I'm extremely happy that fixed my leak, and I don't have to buy another pressure washer, even though I kind of wanted to upgrade, but that's all right. No money spent except for on these O-rings back here. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll put a link to the O-ring kit I bought if you guys want to pick up some O-rings. Other than that, standard regular tools. You can take this apart at home in 5 minutes. This is a 5-minute job. Yeah, pretty simple fix. You guys out there can do it if you have this issue. So yeah, I appreciate all you guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd appreciate that. At the same time, please smash that thumbs up for me and click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, you guys will get notified. Once again, I want to take the time and thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.